Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then find connection and sharing. Now we have to scroll down and as you can see in the others we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Here we've got again the information what your device will reset, so just tap on reset settings, tap on OK, and as you can see it may take several seconds, and you will not be able to undo this section. So just be patient, take your time and wait until you'll see exactly this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset the network preferences in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.